So these are the properties it is needed. Okay. So note down the problem. A PDF is described by C into x minus 6 for all values of x between the 6 and 10, and it is 0 otherwise. Find the value that C must have and evaluate the probability which is greater than x is greater than 8.0. So PDF is C into x minus 6 if x is in between 6 and 10 and it is 0 otherwise. Here the equation is explained in terms of wordings here. So, and we will make use of this property too. Always area under the PDF curve is always equal to 1. It is known truth. What is that? The area under the PDF curve is always 1. Over the limit minus infinity to plus infinity, fx of x, that is 1. Let us make use of that property. Here instead of minus infinity to plus infinity, the values are varying from 6 to 10. That should be equal to 1. Then so that easily we can calculate the value of C here, right? So using the property number 2, so instead of minus infinity to plus infinity, values are varying from 6 to 10. In that case, the PDF is given. It can be written as C into x minus 6 dx. That should then C is a constant. Take it outside. Integration of x is x square by 2 over the limit 10 to 6. Then 6 is a constant. Integration of constant is x. Then limits are varying from 6 to 10. That should be equal to 1. Then substitute the limits. X square, replace x by 10. 10 square is 100 minus 6 square is 32. 100 minus 6 square is what? 6 into 6, 36. 100 minus 36 divided by 2. Then 6. 10 minus 6. It is 4. 4 into 6. It is 24. This minus 24. That gives the 8. That the value of this complete bracket will be 8. Then what could be the value of C? It is 1 by 8. Alright. So the key point for the solution of this problem is a property number 2. The area under the curve, area under the PDF curve is always equal to 1 over the limit minus infinity to plus infinity. And with respect to this problem, the area under the curve will be equal to 1 over the limit 6 and 10. Do simplify, we will get the value of C. Then we have calculated the first term, and they have asked us to calculate the probability that is greater than 10. Sorry, that is greater than 8. Alright, how to calculate this one? Right? So a probability if x is greater than 8 means limits are varying from 8 to 10. Instead of 6, a lower limit should be from 8 and upper limit should be 10 because it is the limit. If it crosses 10, then it is 0. Right? This is the key point here. If this is the probability need to be calculated, the lower limit is varying from 8 to 10. That is real. And we know the value of C here. Already C is calculated 1 by 8. So the value of C is 1 by 8. Then integration of x is x square by 2 over the limits 8 and 10 minus 6. Integration of constant is x over the limit 8 to 10. Then do simplify. Then we will get the value as 0.75. Is that okay? The left part is a calculator operation. You have to do it by yourself. Here I have done it and I have created the PPT and I am showing you the results. The remaining part is doing the work by hands on. That's what your contribution. Have you understood it? The PDF will be given and it is defined over the range. Then they will ask us to calculate the value of C, and After that, they will ask us to calculate the probability over the range. If it is 8 means 8 to 10, upper limit should be 10. Here, because of this condition, 6 is replaced by 8 here. That's it. Similar problem. Here, c into y minus 3 is given and the limits are same, 6 to 10. Compared to this problem, c into x minus 6, here the independent variable x is used, here the independent variable y is used, and limits are same. They are kept as it is, 6 to 10. What is that? Again, we are using this property. Area under the PDF curve will be 1 over the limits from minus infinity to plus infinity, right? Then here the limits are varying from 6 to 10, c into y minus 3 into dy into 1. So c is a constant. Integration of y is y square by 2 over the limit 6 to 10 minus 3. Integration of constant is what? Y over the limit 6 and 10. That should be equal to 1. Then do simplify. We will get the value of c. After simplification, we will get the value of c as 1 by 20. Then they have asked us to calculate the probability if y is greater than 7. Now the lower limit is 6. That should be interchanged by a 7 and substitute the value of c and simplify. We will get a probability as 33 by 40. Simple thing here. This is the case where this condition is applied here. So that lower limit is 6 to 10. C value is already calculated. Do simplify. We will get a probability as 33 by 40. We are making use of a property number 2 of a probability density function.